and I'm having more relaxed and chilling time. I landed in the first city was Shillong. Shillong was beautiful. And yesterday I arrived in Tripura and I joined the march. Yesterday it was amazing. It was very beautiful. People looks like more. I feel like I'm from there.
And do you love our traditional dress of Tiprasa?
Yeah, actually, I had the show
Risa.
yesterday. Yeah, Risa.
It-
I think I still have it. Yeah.
How do you feel that it's beautiful or what?
It's very beautiful, and we have a very similar culture in Korea as well. Here, sticky rice is also famous.
Yes.
I didn't try it yet, but I heard there's like a sweet version of sticky rice and salty version. I really want to try that as well.
Have you tasted our traditional food?
Not yet. I just had a breakfast today.
Today we will give you some mustang.
Mustang.
Yeah, that's pork.
Ooh,
We'll give you some chakui,
Uh-huh.
and we'll give you some sticky rice, guriya mirung.
Ooh.
Once you have a traditional indigenous food,
Uh-huh.
you will think about coming back over and over again.
Really? Maybe I
And we
should
will dress
move
you in.
here.
We'll dress you in a rignai,
Uh-huh.
and we'll of course in a traditional dress.
Okay.
And you will look like a tipraja.
Oh, I know one more. Hambai.
Hamba.
Hambai. Maybe I should learn more how to say it in here.
Kulungka.
Kolongka.
Kulungka.
Kolongka.
To have you here. Did you like the rally yesterday?
Yes, I really loved it.
Only women.
I wanted to dance with them actually. They're having a dance. I love to dance. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.